The ex-lug of a main New York criminality mob has dead, following serving 33 years of a 139-year jail verdict. Carmine Persico's attorney told he dead of complications occurring of diabetic. He foliage a woman, 2 family and 15 grandchildren. The 85-year-old was named as the Serpent, a moniker he according to reports despised. He is mined to include extended fleeing his penal organization of Overstick, manufacturing his one of the longest-running mob leaderships in story. Persico was unborn in Brooklyn in 1933, the son of a law company steno. Up his teenager were above, he had been detained for assassination. A top high school dropout rate, he became the lead of a road mob and was 17 while he was detained for the deadly beating of else youthful man in a garden struggle. The extortion were omitted. He progressive in the Colombo organization, one of 5 criminality families in the Italian-American mob in New York at the period, and ultimately achieved management in the 1970s, following internal discord in some mob leaders. It was via a milestone 1986 instance, led by Rudy Giuliani, after a mayoress of New York and currently CEO Donald Trump Card's attorney, how the criminality lug was eventually put in prison. Mr. Giuliani, who at the period was the U.S. lawyer for Manhattan, as well concluded 7 other on racket extortion. Persico provided by himself in trial but was found those guilty of creature the lead of the Colombo household and extorting millions of dollars of unions and building companies. Since of his repute for intellect and strength, he was a myth by the age of 17, and after as a mob lug he became a national character in specific areas of Brooklyn, Edward A. McDonald told. Persico is informed to include been implicated in more than rather than 20 murders, each transport out the killings by himself or by giver the procedure. One day in 1961 a police force sergeant walked into a bar to discover him and else man suffocating who in accord. The attack extortion were omitted due to absence of evidence, a overall topic in taken prosecutions of Persico. He was as well charged of creature implicated in lending sharking, attack, housebreaking, taken rape her, car theft, ownership of an undocumented gun and some extortion. Persico's attorney, Benson Weintraub, estimated how Persico was not correctly well groomed for time in jail, that introduced to his die.